I may never sell travel insurance again. Hi, my name is Olivia and you're watching Your Travel with Olivia. Why would I make such a bold statement? Well, after I've given you these tips today, you might not want to purchase any travel insurance before your next trip. So what are some of the changes that are coming inside that travel insurance policy? So the first tip is COVID-19 is now a known condition. And so before you go on your trip, 30 to 60 days, depending on your age, if you are in contact with anybody who has tested positive for COVID-19, then you are no longer covered under your policy. The same would go true if you tested positive yourself or showed any signs and symptoms that you sought medical attention 30 to 60 days prior to your trip, you would not be covered for that trip. Trip cancellation. Well, trip cancellation for any reason no longer exists. So for all of you out there who used to purchase that, meaning that you just didn't feel like going and that was okay, you could actually get your money back for your trip, that no longer exists. However, trip cancellation for any of the other reasons, somebody is sick in the family, there's been a death, jury duty, any other legitimate reasons why you needed to cancel that trip, they're still on the table, they're still there in the policy. However, here is the procedure that you're going to go through now. Prior to putting in that claim for the trip cancellation, you now have to go to the airlines or the travel agency and find out from them, will they give you a reimbursement or a credit or voucher for your trip? If they write back to you and say that absolutely not, we will not be covering you, and you're not getting a refund and you're not getting a credit, take that letter and then send that off to the insurance company, and that now you will get your refund. However, if they come back and say that they will refund you for that trip, that would be great. That's money back in your pocket. Therefore, obviously, you can't put a claim in for the travel insurance because that's double dipping. But if they came back and said, we're not going to refund you, but we are going to offer you a credit going forward, and you decline that because you don't really want a credit with them, and you send that to the travel insurance company, they also will decline your claim. And that's because that credit is considered a full refund, and so you better take it bird in hand because you will not get it from the travel insurance going forward. So those are some of the changes that they had to make because of the situation that they have just been through over the last few months. And so going forward, I don't know where you're watching this from, but globally, take a look at your policy, look at the wording, and those are the changes that are inside most of them, most of the insurance companies out there, wherever you are. Okay, so those are some of the tips that I just wanted to provide for you. I'm here to just bring you up to date with what's happening out there in the industry. If you have any friends, family, and peers that you want to pass this on to, that would be a great idea. Also, if you have any comments or questions, and I'm sure you do, please put those in the comment section down below. More than happy to hear them. Also, if you have any of your own stories or situations that you have been through, share those with all of us. It's enlightening for all of us to know what's going on out there. Anyways, thank you so much for watching today, and always remember to be prepared and stay safe out there. Looking forward to seeing you in my next video. Until then, ciao, adios, have yourself a wonderful week. Bye.